Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a pilot version of Henry. So first press that pencil right here. And then press those 4 circles. And press the color mix. Now press this blue color and put it on -100. And do that again with a darker blue and do that again. And there you go, you have a green Pilot Gordon. And, oh yeah, I forgot, you need a picture of a Pilot Gordon, so I'm gonna use this one. Now, press the done button. Okay, and press save. And you need to go to Google. And type 1953 the Henry the Green Engine and find the face of it and take a screenshot of it, and all you have to do is press the 4 circles and press this button. Yes, this one that I'm pointing at. And go to oopsie. Alright. And press this button right here and go to stickers, and you found it. Alright. And put it on this size. Okay. And you need to cover up that spot. Hold up. I'll show you what spot. This arch shape. Alright, and first, and you need to match the color of it and cover it up. Alright. Oopsie. Alright, there. And you don't quite see the number, so I'm gonna put a number of it. Oh wait, no. Hold on, wait. Nope, hold up. So I'm gonna use a darker yellow. Just the color of Diesel 10. Yeah, first I need the red color. Yes, this darker red. Right, and press right, and oops, I made it a bit too big. Alright, 8's enough. Alright, and go back to the yellow color and press the color of Diesel 10 and put 6. Alright, and slowly, gently, and then done. And that is it. This is how you make a pilot version of Henry the Green Engine. So if you wanted to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below.